Okay, but if you want a special shade of colors, then you can use a hexadecimal value like this. Okay, so I have color and I have the hexadecimal value for the color. Okay, then I can say this is a tomato, red heading. You can see this is a tomato. This is a special shade. You wouldn't be able to get this shade if you specified it in English. Okay, so this is hexadecimal. Now one thing I want to show you, if you made this green, well, let's just make it blue. Okay, this is gonna be blue, but assume I want to spell a light, I want light blue, so I put here light blue. It gets it. But assume I want to do a special shade of pink, maybe shocking pink, so I put in shocking pink here. Oh, it's gonna give me some other color here. Now this is because this word is not defined as a color inside of HTML. You can on the internet search all the colors that are available to use, as you know, you have a color called teal as well, and you can explore other colors. There's also other colors like azure. Okay, you can see a very slight bluish. If you can see properly in the screen, you can see it's like slightly blue. It's gonna look good if I were to. I'm just using BG color quick. So if I made this green, now you can see it's looking white, but it's not really white, to be accurate. Okay, so that's how you can do you can achieve a specific shade of the color using hexadecimal.